Welcome to the world of advanced futures trading strategies. As a trader, you know that the markets can be unpredictable and volatile. That's why it's essential to have a solid strategy in place to help you navigate these challenges and achieve success. In this presentation, we'll explore the benefits of using advanced futures trading strategies and how they can help you take your trading to the next level. By incorporating advanced strategies into your trading approach, you'll be able to identify opportunities that others may miss and make more informed decisions based on data-driven analysis. You'll also be better equipped to manage risk and protect your investments. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, now is the time to learn about advanced futures trading strategies and how they can benefit your trading journey. Welcome to the heart of our presentation, the 30 fully tested strategies that will take your futures trading game to the next level. These strategies have been crafted by experts with years of experience in the field, and are designed to be applicable to a wide range of trading styles and time frames. From mean reversion to seasonality, short-term momentum to long-term trend following, we've got you covered. Our aim is to provide you with a comprehensive overview of these strategies, so you can start applying them to your own trades right away. Get ready to discover new and exciting ways to maximize your profits and minimize your risks. Mean reversion is a popular trading strategy that involves identifying assets that have deviated from their long-term averages and betting on them reverting back to their mean. Using a data-driven approach, we can identify when an asset is overbought or oversold and take advantage of this market inefficiency. This strategy has been proven effective in a variety of markets, including commodities, currencies, and equities. Short-term momentum trading is a popular strategy in futures markets due to its potential for high returns. However, it also comes with significant risks that must be carefully managed. To successfully implement this strategy, traders need to identify trends and patterns in market movements and act quickly to capitalize on them. Real-world examples can help illustrate how this approach can be applied in practice, while tips for minimizing risk can help traders navigate the challenges of this fast-paced trading style. Seasonality is a powerful tool that futures traders can use to identify profitable trading opportunities. By analyzing historical data, traders can identify patterns in price movements and anticipate future market trends. For example, if a certain commodity tends to experience a seasonal increase in demand during the winter months, traders can take advantage of this trend by buying futures contracts in advance. Similarly, if a particular market tends to experience a downturn during a certain time of year, traders can use this information to adjust their trading strategies accordingly. In conclusion, it's clear that advanced futures trading strategies are essential for achieving success in the markets. By employing these strategies, traders can gain a competitive edge and increase their profitability. From mean reversion to seasonality, there are a wide range of strategies available that can be tailored to suit different trading styles and time frames. However, it's important to remember that implementing these strategies requires discipline, patience, and a deep understanding of market dynamics. Traders must be willing to put in the time and effort to develop their skills and stay up to date with the latest trends and techniques. With dedication and perseverance, anyone can become a successful futures trader using advanced strategies. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.